Good morning everybody. We have discussed the topic how far we are SGP 1 of class 7 in the previous class. Today we are going to discuss SGP 2. Before that, if you come to our channel for the first time, please subscribe it and bell icon to get updates notification. Let's go through the topic SGP 2. One day the rich man took his son to the poor people living in small huts down the hills. He had in his mind to show his son how rich he was in contrast to the poor farmers. He thought this would work like medicine for his son's sadness. When his son would see these poor people living in small huts, his sadness would disappear. He would realize how privileged he was in contrast to those poor farmers. In beautiful car, he took him all round. He made him see the poor farmers living in wretched condition. For the first time, his son, who lived like a prisoner in a big house, got the chance to see the outside world. Throughout the tour, his father was telling how these poor farmers were living in great difficulty. On his way back, very satisfied, he asked his son, "Did you see how poor the farmers are? What did you learn from this?" His son sadly replied, "We have one dog, they have four. We have one pool, but they have rivers. We have artificial lamps, but they have moon and stars. We buy food, they grow theirs. We have walls to protect us, they have friends. We have encyclopedias, they have Bibles. Thank Dad for showing me how poor we are. Really, I want to live with them there." Okay, let's try to understand the topic. When the rich man saw his son in upset mood, so he decided to take him to the postman huts. One day he took him by a beautiful car to the poor man's huts. On the way, he told his son that how the farmers were toiling on their fields. His son was very happy to find a chance to go outside because he was inside the building all the time. The rich man thought that it would be a good medicine for his son to disappear from his sadness. When they come back to their home, on the way the rich man became very satisfied and asked his son, "What do you feelings now?" At the time his son replied that they have only one dog, but the farmers have four, and they have only one pool, but the farmers have five. And also he said that we have artificial lamps, but they have the moons and the stars in the sky. And also he said that we buy foods for our livings, but the farmers grow their foods by own. And also we have walls to protect him, but they have the friends and the friends. We have encyclopedias and they have some Bibles. At the time he thanked his dad for gave him a chance to visit there, and at last he said that, "Father, I want to live with the poor farmers." And also he told that we are very poor in contrast to the farmers. We have some vocabulary. You know that English different words have different meanings, but in SGP 2 there are some difficult words for you, and these are the keywords and these are the meanings also. In contrast to means in comparison to, आम ताकू जो ओडिया कहवा तुलनात्मक भाव ये वाक्यटारे केतबेले व्यवहार करा जिते बड़े से तुलना कर गरीब लोक मान से निजक जो तुलना कर इन कंट्रास्ट टू शब्दटा व्यवहार कर पुणी सेमती सैडनेस सैडनेस मीन्स अनहैप्पीनेस दुख जिते पुटी दुख करूला से जिते से गरीब ता बापा भाविले जे मो पुआटा को बुले नेबी बुले नेले कौन हम तार दुख सब उभेज एवं यह तार मेडिसिन भाया काम कर रेस्ट कंडीशन मीन्स भेरी पोर कंडीशन दयनीय अवस्था मीन्स द फार्मर्स आर लिविंग इन दैट हाउस इन भेरी पोर कंडीशन ओके देन प्रिजनर मीन्स ए थीप और क्रिमिनल हु रिमेन्स इन प्रिजन जड़े थीप कि जड़े क्रिमिनाल जी कि गोटे से गोटे घरे रखी दि जाए बंदी भाव रखी दि जाए पुओटी ताले तार सेमती बंदी भाव में घरे थिला जिते से बाहर को गला से मुक्त भाव से बुली पारा प्रिजन मीन्स ए बिल्डिंग व्हेयर यूजुअली थीव्स एंड क्रिमिनल्स आर केप्ट फॉर पनिशमेंट प्रिजन हूँ गोटे एमती गोटे बिल्डिंग जो कि साधारणतः काहू चोर एवं डकायत मान को कौन करा ना दंड देवाई रखा जाए जोटा आम ओडिया कहीपर बंदीशाला बुझीगला ठीक एबे देखिबा लेट्स have some extra vocabulary also. There are some vocabulary of SGP2. They are called V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. V1 is stand for verb, V2 is second form of verb or past form, and third is verb called past participle. V4 is called verb plus ing, and V5 is called 2 plus verb. Okay, then we will now find that word take, took, taken, taking, to take. Sow, sowed, sowing, to sow. Think, thought, thinking, to think. Tell, told, telling, to tell. Asked, asking, to ask. Besides these, or there are some another words you may find in the SGP 2. Okay, try to find out. There are some vocabulary for you. Use single words. The opposite of poor. What do you mean by the opposite of poor? Means the rich. RICH. We take it when we have fever. Generally, when we have fever, we take what? We take medicine. MEDICINE. Okay. Then better than others. Better than others means special. He is the special person. Better than other persons. Special. Small house made of wood, grass and mud. The house which made up from wood, grass and mud is called hut. HUT. Also, a person who manages a farm is called farmer. FARMER. A person kept in prison is called prisoner. A building where prisoners are kept, prison.
Thank you for watching us.